Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw course enrollments from Teachable into Zapier step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Teachable account. Navigate to the course you want to work with. Click on the Students tab located on the course dashboard. Select the Enrolled Students section to view all current enrollments. Now, open a new browser tab and log into your Zapier account. In Zapier, click on the Make a Zap button to start a new workflow. Choose Teachable as the trigger app in the search bar. Select the trigger event, New Enrollment. Click on Continue to proceed. Connect your Teachable account to Zapier by clicking on Sign in to Teachable. A pop-up will prompt you to enter your Teachable API key. You can find the API key in your Teachable account settings under API. Once entered, click Yes, Continue to connect. Zapier will test the connection to confirm it's successful. After testing, click Continue to move to the next step. Choose an action app where you want your enrollment data to go. For example, select Google Sheets or your preferred CRM. Select the action event, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. Click Continue again. Connect your chosen action app to Zapier using your credentials. Next, customize the action by mapping fields from Teachable to your action app. For instance, you might map student names and email addresses. Once all fields are correctly mapped, click Continue. Zapier will prompt you to test the action. Click on Test and Continue to ensure everything is working properly. If the test is successful, your workflow is almost complete. Name your Zap for easy identification. Finally, toggle the Zap to on to activate the workflow. Your Teachable course enrollments will now withdraw into your chosen app automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.